Artistic product appearance design. Precise internal structural design. The ability of die material selection, the best in the industry. Fine and precision planning and chiseling processes. The selection of raw materials, the best in the industry. We meticulously shift the raw materials and strictly check purity and integrity at all points during manufacture. Automatic molding production. Automatic operation by mechanical arms. Precision inspection of molding components. Water pipe coating and mending by automatic assembly machines. Inner core rubber ring automatic assembly machines. Precise product assembling process. %100% overall external and internal inspection. "18 quality control items ensure zero defect products." Artistic styles and beautiful eyes. Patented design and superior performance. Hard-line speed and stable performance. The high-tech management system and full automatic data analysis are to ensure precise control. HTD high-quality products have passed authoritative certifications of various countries in the world, such as China's water-saving products certification, the CE certification, the United States, including Canada cUPC certification, the UK certification, the Australian Watermark quality certification, and Malaysian certification. With a good brand image and product quality, the company has been well accepted by many world-famous bathroom product brands and become their long-term strategic partners. Reasonable water utilization contributes to a beautiful life. Guangdong HTD Technology Company Limited.